Still using AI like a fancy typewriter? Module 3 is where that ends. Welcome to the AI Director, Creative Content Generation and Adaptation. Here, AI becomes your media production studio, but you remain the director. Every change needs a reason. Your mission is content transformation. Take a static research report and make it dynamic, useful, and audience-ready. The workflow is simple. Extract, transform, adapt. First, extract the key data, claims, and evidence from dense source material. Next, transform that information into a script built for text-to-speech, visuals, or another media format. Then, adapt the tone. The original may be academic, but the final presentation should feel persuasive, clear, and engaging. Here is the non-negotiable part. Every transformation needs a designer's note or reflection log. Document what changed, why it changed, and how you protected accuracy, ethics, and relevance for your audience. Then, build skill through 4 creative levels. Emerging. Generate basic images with tools like DALL-E, and notice how prompts shape output and reveal bias. Developing. Use Google's teachable machine to train a simple model and test inputs. Proficient. Use simulators to model complex systems clearly. Exemplary. Explore social robots or advanced programming to examine real-time ethics and transparency. Master the tools. Explain your choices. Direct AI responsibly. Get ready for Module 4.